your girl Deann, and I am back again tonight with another wig review. So tonight, guys, I want to talk about a unit I bought from wigtypes.com. Now this is a fairly new unit from the Isis Red Carpet Collection, and the style or name is RCP798 Mallory, and let me show you what it looks like on the stock card. Alright guys, so Mallory is made of couture and heat resistant fiber. It does not specify on the card how high or low of a temperature setting for this unit. Mallory is a lace front. She did come with lace. So here's that lace that I do not use, but it is the soft mesh, would not tear out the edges that you already have. Now the color I will be reviewing is the SR1B 27. And let me show you what Mallory looks like out of the box. So this is Mallory. She is a asymmetrical curly bob. All right, and then the construction of Mallory. So she does come with 3 combs. So there is 2 by the part. Okay, there's a comb in the back, and it does come with adjustable straps and ear tabs. So let me try on Mallory and just see what it looks like on me. All right, and I'm gonna use my camera as my mirror. Let's see. All right, not bad. All right, guys, and this is Mallory. Just so simple. Just put it on and that's it. So this is what she looks like, guys, and I love Mallory. As you guys know, it is hot out here in Arizona. It was like 100 and Satan today when I was at work, but this unit is just made perfect for me because I don't want hair in the back, and I think the personality really is the way they designed it. How they have the longer pieces in the front, how it's cut perfect in the back, and it's curly. So to me, it is a win-win. But here's the part on Mallory. So as you guys can see, it's a good part. You really don't need to tweeze, but if you must, you can. I don't tweeze at all. I just added some pressing powder down the middle. Now I may have a hump because my real hair, I just threw it in a ponytail and kind of put it up, so the hump could be caused because my hair is not completely flat under this wig. But let me give you guys a 360 so you can see how fabulous Mallory is. So this is the side. All right, and then the other side. And then I'm going to show you the back. Okay, now cap construction. So she is big head friendly. It fits my head securely, but you guys all know I always adjust my straps to the highest setting. I am not getting initial shedding, but you guys know what a synthetic unit, over time it is going to shed, it is going to tangle. But I love her. So this is Miss Mallory, and I really do love the ombre effect. The roots, of course, is 1B, but it goes beautiful into that 27. And you guys know I love all shades of blonde, from platinum to honey blonde. I just think it's a dope color, and to me it looks good on my skin. But what do you guys think about Miss Mallory? I love it. So gorgeous, guys. Don't need to do much. I mean, it's just beautiful the way it comes out of the box. As you guys can see, I need to work on my hump, but other than that, she is good to go. But you guys let me know what you think about Mallory if you have purchased this unit. If you haven't, I recommend you add this to your ever-growing collection, okay? But again, like in all my videos, I say thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Until I see you next time, have a great night. Bye.